Hi and welcome back to the channel. This video is about how to do pull-ups for beginners. What are pull-ups? Pull-ups are a type of body weight exercise that works your back, shoulders, and arms. Pull-ups are a great way to build strength and muscle. They are also great exercise for improving your grip strength and developing your back and shoulder muscles. Additionally, pull-ups can help improve your posture and prevent back pain. You can do pull-ups just about anywhere that has a sturdy bar for you to grip. A pull-up bar at the gym, a tree branch, or even a sturdy piece of playground equipment can work. If you're a beginner, doing pull-ups can seem like a daunting task. But with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to do them with ease. The important things to consider when doing pull-ups are grip, form, and breathing. For grip, you can either use an overhand grip, palms facing away from you, or underhand grip, palms facing towards you. Form is important to consider because you want to make sure that you are using your back muscles and not your arms to do the work. Breathing is also important because you want to exhale when you are pulling yourself up and inhale when you are lowering yourself down. Here are some easy steps for doing pull-ups. First of all, hang from a bar with your palms facing either towards or away from you. 2. Exhale as you pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. 3. Inhale as you lower yourself back down to the starting position. 4. Repeat. How many times should you do pull-ups in a day? You can do pull-ups every day if you'd like. But make sure to give your body a rest every couple of days. When you first start out, try doing 3 sets of 8 to 10 pull-ups. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of reps you do. The more you do pull-ups, you can start to feel the difference in your arms and back, and not just aesthetically. Pull-ups work a lot of different muscles all at once, making them a great exercise for time saving and overall muscle development. So, are you going to start doing pull-ups now? If you do, please leave a comment or two. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.